What up, folks? So this is Keto Force, another product from Keto Sports, another product that you really go directly to Keto Sports to buy. So this is a liquid, okay? It's not oily, it's a sort of, well, liquid. How do I describe liquid? Now it claims that it's an exogenous ketone for sure, and it claims it also is an appetite suppressant and a physical and mental performance booster. Now this has a sort of slightly salty-ish taste to it. They recommend mixing it in a drink that has kind of citric tones. So maybe put it in a orange squash. Okay, the idea is this gives you energy but no carbs, and basically I would say that this is a great exogenous ketone, but it's not as strong and potent as the Keto Canna, the powder. So but obviously you can up the dose, but as you up the dose you do get that kind of slightly salty taste. It's not a problem if you've got a couple of caps full in your sports bottle. You're not really going to notice it, but I guess it would taste like a really good electrolyte drink, which if you get me with the salty type taste, it's like a salty taste but not salty, if you get me. But it's worth checking out. I think it's slightly cheaper than the Keto Canna, and it certainly goes a little bit further than the Keto Canna. Like, you get more doses out of this. This is 480 milliliters, and you take a couple of capfuls, so as your dose. So it claims serving size 16, so maybe it's a little bit less strong because I don't have as big a dose. It says 3 capfuls here. I have 1 or 2 when I do it, but it's quite a cool little thing if you're looking for a bit of performance. I tend to use this with sport. The keto products I do tend to use for sport more than for sort of daily. In daily, if you just eat keto, you can get into ketosis. So price tag wise, I think we're sitting around the £25-ish mark. But again, check out the website. No sort of half-life or anything. It does help get you into ketosis. You're less likely to get disaster pants with this, which is a plus point for sure. And yeah, I think that's all you need to know, unless you want more information, in which case you can visit their website. Don't be lazy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.